Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Coco and today I am doing a new makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using the Amrezy palette. It's kind of semi-new. I've had it for a while and I've only used it a few times, but I was looking at it the other day and noticed it has really good browns in here to do a nice simple neutral makeup look that you can use for like every day or if you don't want to look crazy on your Zoom meetings. So like I said, I only used 3 colors in the palette and the brush that it came with. So if you like this look, continue watching. Thanks. Okay, so first things first, I'm going in with my Amrezy by ABH palette, and I'm taking the colors 1988 and Hugo, and I'm patting that on the center middle part of my lid in like a half circle. Now I'm going in with the shade New Yorker. I love saying that, that's very exciting. But anyway, I'm going in with the shade New Yorker and I'm putting it on the right above where I did the half circle with 1988 and Hugo. So basically right up to my brow bone. So everyone has been raving about this amazing way to do your makeup to get this matte perfect finish. So I decided to try it. So step 1 is using moisturizer, and I'm using a moisturizer called Belif from Avon. Now I'm taking a translucent powder from e.l.f. and I'm putting that all over my face. Next, I'm taking MAC Prep and Prime spray and I'm spraying that all over my face. Now it's time for primer, and all over my face I'm using the green Master Prime from Maybelline, and then on my spots where my pores are the biggest, I'm going to put the Master Blur Stick, and that's also by Maybelline. It is finally time for foundation, and I'm going to be using Pro Filt'r by Fenty and the color 420. For concealer today, I'm going to be using MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NC45. Now, as always, I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to put that everywhere I put the concealer. Also, I'm going to put it down on the lower part of my cheeks. To contour, I'm using a NYX highlight and contour palette, and I'm just going to use that to contour my cheekbones. I decided to go in with a dark brown eyeliner and put it right below my waterline. And like I said, it's just a dark brown eyeliner and it's from L'Oreal. For highlight, I'm going in with a Fenty highlight in the shade Trophy Wife. Last but not least, for my lips, I'm going to be using just a tint by Colorpop in the shade No Brainer, and a lip gloss. It's one of the butter glosses from NYX in the shade Bit of Honey. Okay, so this is the final look. All in all, I love it. I love the palette, the brush worked well. I'm so excited that this not new, but the steps to putting on my foundation worked. Like, this is great. It's so even, it looks matte. I love it. I'll be putting on my foundation this way from now on. So I love it. I hope you guys loved it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.